the knit stitch cast on is a great early cast on to learn. It is very similar to just making a knit stitch, and not only is it a great cast on for the beginning of your work, if you have worked some of your piece already and you need to add stitches on to the piece, this knit stitch cast on is a cast on that can be done while you're working. It can be done in the middle of the row, at the end of a row. It's a great way to add on extra stitches during your work. So what you do, if you're casting on from the beginning or just really from anywhere, you're going to just ignore your tail. That's not part of the cast on. You're going to tension up your yarn, which I do by putting my pointer finger and my ring finger underneath my yarn. And now you're going to make a knit stitch. So I insert my hook. You insert your hook from front to back under the loop, wrap the yarn around, and pull through, just like you're making a knit stitch, okay? And I seem to have split my yarn. I did. Okay, insert your yarn under the loop, yarn over, and pull it through the loop, and then do not remove the original loop from your needle. Instead, take this new loop and just slide it onto the needle. Okay, so let me show you that again a little closer. Go over here a little bit where the light's a little better. Go under the stitch from front to back, yarn over, pull that through the stitch, and then take that new loop and toss it on. I'll show you that with the other hand, okay? If you keep your yarn in this hand, here we go. You go under the loop, wrap the yarn around, pull it through the loop, and now place the loop on your other your knitting needle. Insert your knitting needle into the loop from front to back, wrap the yarn around, pull it through, wrap it over. Okay, show you one more time. There you go. So you can see how you can actually do this cast on when you have a bunch of work right here. You can just cast on all of these extra stitches, right? So it's great for midway through your work or at the very beginning.